These are 9 top stocks in after hours with big percentage gains today. Our review on MSPR. MSP Recovery Incorporated, doing business as Life Wallet, is that healthcare recovery and data analytics company aiming to clean up the messy world of insurance reimbursements. They use over 1,400 algorithms to sniff out improper payments in Medicare, Medicaid, and commercial insurance, basically finding money that slipped through the cracks and getting it back. Their tech spans across healthcare, legal, education, and even sports nil through various Life Wallet solutions. Now here's the big news that sent the stock flying. Life Wallet just announced a strategic term sheet for a major corporate overhaul. We're talking fresh funding, a comprehensive restructuring plan, and, most importantly, removing over $1.2 billion in corporate guarantee debt. That's not a small trim, that's a clean shave. The news sparked a 130% breakout in late after-hours trading and had the stock up over 200% at one point. It's a huge sentiment shift for a name that's been drowning in debt and skepticism. The key now is whether this restructuring really sets them up for operational growth and lasting financial stability. But one thing's clear, the market just sat up and started paying serious attention. Our review on VERO. Venus Concept Incorporated is a global medical technology company known for its range of aesthetic and hair restoration systems. They offer everything from non-invasive body contouring and skin treatments to robotic hair transplants with systems like the Artis iX. Their products serve a wide market, from dermatologists and plastic surgeons to general practitioners and med spas, across more than 60 countries. The company just wrapped up a $1.1 million registered direct offering priced at the market under NASDAQ rules. While it's not a massive raise, it does add a bit of breathing room financially without piling on more debt. And investors responded quickly. Shares surged 52% after hours with a 50% breakout near the start of the session. That kind of move for a relatively small offering signals a market eager for signs of stability or turnaround. Still, direct offerings do come with dilution risk, so even with the pop, it'll be worth watching if this strength sticks once regular trading kicks in. Our review on BGLC. BioNexus Gene Lab Corporation is a Malaysia-based company that's all about RNA-based genomic diagnostics. They're working on non-invasive blood screening tests that use RNA to detect early signs of diseases like COVID-19, dengue, HIV, HPV, and even cancer. Through their subsidiary mRNA Scientific Malaysia, they've developed software and algorithms for early disease detection, while their other unit, Chemrex, handles industrial chemical supply across Southeast Asia. Now, about that after-hours action, it was hot right out of the gate. Shares jumped 45%, with an 80% breakout right at the open of the after-hours session. That kind of initial spike usually means there's some buzz building, maybe tied to anticipation around their biotech side or speculative momentum. But by late after hours, the steam started fading and price action cooled off. Classic pop and drop. So while it was a flashy move, we're not seeing anything concrete driving it just yet. Investors might want to stay cautious until there's more clarity, because without a clear catalyst, these moves tend to be short-lived. Our review on BFRG. Bullfrog AI Holdings Incorporated is a tech-powered drug development company with a strong focus on using artificial intelligence and machine learning to analyze complex biomedical data. Their main platform, BFLeap, digs into clinical and preclinical data to uncover insights that might be missed using traditional analysis. Think of it as a digital brain that can help accelerate drug discovery and development. They've got programs targeting some tough diseases like liver disease, obesity, and glioblastoma, using novel approaches like siRNA and repurposed drugs. Now, after hours we saw the stock pop about 27%. That's a solid move, but it's worth noting that it happened on pretty light volume, which can sometimes be misleading. Without big trading activity behind it, this kind of move could just be noise, maybe some speculative interest or traders testing the waters. There's no fresh news tied to the move, at least not yet, so unless something more concrete drops, this looks more like a watch-and-see situation than a breakout moment. Definitely an interesting name if you're tracking AI meets biotech plays, but tread carefully until there's stronger momentum or a catalyst to support the action. Our review on CELZ. Creative Medical Technology Holdings Incorporated is a commercial-stage biotech player diving into some pretty big therapeutic arenas: immunotherapy, endocrinology, neurology, and more. They've got a wide pipeline, from cell-based therapies for chronic back pain and erectile dysfunction to promising treatments for diabetes and ovarian failure. It's still early days for a lot of their programs, with some in clinical or preclinical stages, but the company is definitely aiming to position itself at the front of the regenerative medicine curve. Now, the stock jumped 26% after hours, with a 25% breakout off the open of the after-hours session. But here's the thing, it came on light volume. That usually tells us this could be more of a speculative pop than something with solid footing. No fresh PR or clinical updates seems to be tied to the move, so this might be a case of traders latching onto a low-float name for a quick momentum run. Definitely worth watching if they drop news or updates to back the move, but for now, keep in mind this kind of price action can fade just as quickly without support behind it. Our review on SLP. Simulations Plus Incorporated is a biotech software and consulting company that plays a big role behind the scenes in drug development. They provide advanced simulation tools and services to pharmaceutical and biotech firms, everything from modeling how a drug moves through the body, to helping optimize clinical trials, to even supporting regulatory submissions. Their tech helps drug makers make smarter, faster decisions, which is a huge value add in an industry where time really is money. Now, the company caught a major tailwind after hours, jumping 25%, and here's why. The FDA just announced it's starting to phase out mandatory animal testing in favor of newer, human-relevant methods like AI modeling and organoid testing. That's a massive shift, and it's exactly the kind of move that could supercharge demand for the kind of software Simulations Plus provides. The industry's clearly pivoting towards simulation-heavy R&D, and Simulations Plus is already a key player in that space. This FDA move could translate into more clients, more use cases, and more licensing deals over time. While the market loves the long-term potential, especially for simulation-driven tech like theirs, investors should also watch for how quickly this regulatory shift translates into revenue growth. Still, the move after hours reflects some real excitement. This isn't just a flash-in-the-pan headline. Our review on CERT. Certara Incorporated is a leader in biosimulation, providing software and services that enhance drug development through model-informed drug development, MIDD. Their technology helps biopharma companies streamline everything from preclinical research to regulatory submissions, with a global client base of over 2,400. The company's platform enables clients to accelerate the drug development process and improve outcomes by leveraging advanced simulation tools. Recently, Certara saw a big boost following an FDA announcement to phase out animal testing for drug development in favor of AI-driven models and human cell testing. This shift plays right into Certara's strengths, positioning it well in the growing trend of AI-powered biotech solutions. After the news, Certara's stock jumped 23% in after-hours trading, with a 35% breakout at the open. This could be a game-changer for the company as more biopharma companies adopt these new methods, offering significant growth potential in the evolving healthcare space. A review on RXRX. Recursion Pharmaceuticals Incorporated is a clinical-stage tech bio company using cutting-edge AI and machine learning to revolutionize drug discovery. Their Recursion Operating System, OS, combines biology, chemistry, and computational tools to map and analyze massive amounts of data, turning complex biological relationships into actionable insights. This platform is at the heart of their clinical programs, which are focused on diseases like cerebral cavernous malformation and neurofibromatosis type 2, among others. The company saw a notable surge after the FDA announced its plans to phase out animal testing in favor of AI-based models and human-relevant testing. This move is expected to streamline drug development and lower costs, a trend that directly benefits Recursion, given its AI-driven approach. The stock jumped 18% in after-hours trading, with a 25% breakout as the news hit. It's a clear signal that Recursion's AI-powered platform is well-positioned to thrive in this shifting regulatory landscape, and investors are starting to take notice. Our review on CDT. Conduit Pharmaceuticals Incorporated is an interesting player in the life sciences space. They're tackling a broad range of serious medical needs, from autoimmune diseases like Hashimoto's thyroiditis to conditions like idiopathic male infertility. Their clinical pipeline includes AZD1656, a glucokinase activator aimed at treating diabetes and autoimmune conditions, and AZD5904, a promising treatment for male infertility. In a move that's grabbing attention from investors, the company just announced a share repurchase program worth up to $1 million. This kind of move typically signals confidence from the company in its financial health, and it's often seen as a way to boost shareholder value. As a result, the stock surged by 16% in after-hours trading, with a solid 30% breakout from the earlier press release. It's a positive reaction that points to investors getting behind the company's strategy and potential future growth. Please subscribe, give the video a like, and watch more from our playlist. Thanks.